like to know, fans are really waiting for your next project, and like they are really keen to look at you as a royal, playing a royal role in the Royals. So just talk about it. How was your working experience with Zeenat Aman and that?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It was wonderful. Thank you for saying that. I think it's a very exciting show. The Royals will come out on Netflix very, very soon. I think you'll be hearing a lot more about it in the days to come. It was a really fun experience, a whole new kind of story. I think it's going to be very fresh and a lot of fun. It's very bingeable. There's something for everyone. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया शूट करते हुए और एक अलग तरह का प्रेजेंटेशन मेरे लिए पहली बार आई थिंक देखने को मिलेगा ऑडियंसेस को तो I'm excited for it and as for Zeenat Aman ma'am and all the other wonderful ladies and gentlemen on the show, we had a blast. I think it was amazing. She of course is an icon and you'll see in a very fun role after a long time.
You have such a great style, and so is Shahid. And if there's one thing you would like to steal from Shahid's wardrobe, what
Well, time and again I have stolen things from his wardrobe, but the one thing I would like to steal, which I can't, are his shoes. Because we don't have the same shoe size. My feet are bigger than his. So it's the bane of my existence. But yeah, such is life.
you also worked in Hollywood, and how it was working in Hollywood, and if you could just remember something there and working with
Working on The Perfect Couple was a pleasure. I think it was all I could ask for a first time experience working in Hollywood. And I think it was just such a great set of people. Nicole Kidman is an icon, a fantastic cast and crew. Susanna Bier, who directed it, is a wonderful, wonderful director. Yeah, definitely learned a lot. It was a time in my life where I was looking for something different, and it gave me that and more. And yeah, I think got to stretch a different muscle of mine as a performer. So I loved
Do
it.
you remember something when you shared screen space with Nicole, and if there's something you will still, it's there with you in your mind?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I was actually quite taken aback with how very sincere and present and devoted she is to her craft, even after all these years of working. That's the dream, and that's what you hope for, and that should be the standard. But you get to see it very less. So with Nicole, what was amazing was before going into a shot with her, she'd be like already kind of ad-libbing something, getting into it, creating an energy before stepping into the shot, and that's something that I really like to do and something that I identify with. So it was really lovely to see her do that as well.
What is your go-to outfit?
My go-to outfit, just a shirt or a t-shirt and jeans and sneakers. It's my go-to outfit.
And if you could just talk about your upcoming projects, is there something exciting coming in Bollywood and you're looking forward to?
So what I can talk about right now is The Royals, and then I shot for a feature film which is not announced, so I can't divulge many details, but that will be coming out soon after Royals as well. And it's a very, very special film, very close to my heart, a story that I'm very, very proud of. And I think it was my biggest challenge as an actor, so it'll be coming soon.
And if you could just share how was the experience over here?
A lot of fun. I'm really happy to be at the Magnum Lounge. Made myself an ice cream sundae. It was really good. I ate more than I wished to. But yeah, it's great to be at Lakme Fashion Week. I think, it's 25 years of them being some of the most relevant names in fashion, and I'm happy to be here to mark this milestone with my walk with Saksha and Kinni and follow it up with this.
And how was your today's round? Like, how was the experience while walking at the show?
I think it was good. What do you think?
I mean, it was great, but were there some kind
What matters is what you think.
was there some kind of nervousness while you were on the ramp?
No, I enjoyed myself.